What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail, guys, is a Death in the Afternoon, but with a little twist. I will be using the Habsburg Absinthe, so it's going to be a supercharged Death in the Afternoon. And if you know anything about a Death in the Afternoon, it is rumoured it's created by Ernest Hemingway, as he coined the phrase in 1932. That's where this classic cocktail comes from, and is a very powerful cocktail. And I'm making it even more powerful with 89.9% absinthe. As absinthe's normally 69 to 70s, this is like a supercharger version mixed in with Prosecco. Bubbles and absinthe, what can go wrong? Happy Easter. If you want to get drunk, this is the go-to. You have a few of these, you'll know about it, but it definitely will get you drunk. So apparently the rumour with Ernest Hemingway, he enjoyed the absinthe in 1932 after his trip to France. That's supposedly where the idea comes from. It's Death in the Afternoon was also the contribution to the So the Red Nose or Breath in the Afternoon, a 1935 cocktail book featuring recipes from 30 celebrity authors, and it's mentioned Death in the Afternoon. So this is where it comes from. It's a very simple cocktail to make. It's just very, very powerful, and it's certainly a fun one. Just because of the high just because of the high percentage of alcohol involved in this. So what you want to do is get a champagne flute and put in 1 jigger of absinthe. So I recommend I put in 45ml or 1.5 ounce of absinthe, so we'll go for it. And now all you do is just top it up with chilled champagne or Prosecco. I'm using Prosecco, just to be clear. As simple as that, there is one Death in the Afternoon. So to make that clear, that was about 4.5 ounces, which is 135ml of Prosecco or champagne. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. One supercharged Death in the Afternoon. Will this have me on my back? Probably will, but we'll see now. So this is Death in the Afternoon. How does it taste? Has that beautiful aniseed flavour. Just love the absinthe with it, and this you can feel it straight away. I know I'm having this. I know in his recommendations in the book he recommends sipping it very slowly and having about 5. With this supercharged version I probably wouldn't recommend having more than about 3 of it and sip it slowly. But if you're down this, you'll know about it. But you can enjoy absinthe, especially if you love your aniseed flavour that just runs through this drink. That aniseed smell, the flavour, the taste, it's beautiful. Mixed in with the bubbles as well, with a nice Prosecco or a nice champagne. It's a very elegant cocktail like that, but powerful, not to be underestimated. It's elegancy like that. It's a beautiful cocktail, but very powerful with a kick, and you'll know about it. It's called Death in the Afternoon for a reason. So if you do make a Death in the Afternoon, just enjoy it as it should be. Just sip it slowly and enjoy. But his one favourite author that is also well known for his drinking as much as his writing was. But that certainly gets my Easter off to a good start. That is my recommendation, Death in the Afternoon, and that is absolutely a beautiful cocktail. Real simple to make, and if I bring it up close, you can see how green it is. It's illuminate green like that. It's just beautiful. But there we have it. One supercharged Death in the Afternoon. Do let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this classic cocktails? I've done the supercharged version of it. Well, happy Easter if you do celebrate it, or if you're not, have a nice break anyway. Enjoy the bank holidays and have an awesome time, whatever you are doing. But any cocktail recommendation, do let me know in the comments below, as I will be doing more cocktails as I've got some time off, so I can enjoy making some drinks over the next week or so I can crack on with that. But if you've got any Easter cocktail recommendations for Easter Sunday or Easter Monday, then do let me know, as I'd be happy to oblige and happy to make. But I've been Mixed. This has been my supercharged Death in the Afternoon. But if you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed, as we are on the road to 2K, as we're only 110 subscribers away, so we're very nearly there. So I do appreciate it. Thank you for all your support so far. But that, guys, has been the Death in the Afternoon. Happy Easter.